Kenako Mulungu anitenge into a vision, nali nawo mmazi muja. Mulungu maza kubwera chombo chichachuku yandama. Kenako ndapanga notice one thing, anthu ambiri simapanga notice. Chapter chimene chacho. Mulungu anamusogodisa nyama zonse zoyezi ngati. Kenako ndikudabwa ndi mmazi muja, vision ndikusambira nawo, ndikudabwa nsomba. Madziwa, there was a flood kwa masomba zimanjoya. God was destroying every animal apart from fish. So in the flood, other animals were in captivity. They couldn't move for 100 and something days. But there was a certain group of animals. When there was a flood, they were swimming. The more the water increased, the more the fish was just Are you getting me? So when the flood was finishing, there were certain animals known as the fish. They were like Maza kutafuya jani. If it manjoya atu. Because the somba seasonal now mujani. Mujo mujo. Zikana kalabati. Akana zigama zake ati. That is why we have more species of fish than animals on land. Now the Bible says in the New Testament, so shall it be like in the days of now wait. I was looking at Noah, I was like, Noah, do you see? Tumanga meditate pemene potugamba ndi Noah. Kena kunoa kuti ndikuitolera. Kena kunoa like ineso ndaitolera. So meaning in our time, so shall it be like in the days of, meaning in the days of Noah there was a storm. There was flooding. It was terrible. And maybe you are those people who are like Noah that will be saved. When the verse said, Amen, you will be saved. Mura muchombo, kina kono muka kuti mwapulumuke. Musoiba zimezi kutani? Mulungu ngoti Amen wasiye. Ineyo ndi no fish. When everything is happening that is bad, as Christians will be like, now we can swim. Are you getting me? As things are getting more bad, the more Christians are swimming. The more the world is being flooded and flooded with the problems, the more if you to Sambira to Yonaboti Jeguli Malaria and to Guesa Guti Gono Mesidi, we know if you to. So that's when we understand we were created for the storms. We were created for the rain. And for me, you have heard those arguments, right? Why is it if he's a good God? Because in the first place, many Zoibas he did not think it would affect him. He thought when the flood comes, you'll be like the fish. Swimming in the water, swimming in the trouble. But now he's finding the fish is failing to swim in water. That is what is happening now. Troubles, afflictions. That's why in the book of James chapter 1, I'm going to count it all joy when you face what? Trials and tribulation. Why should you count it as joy? Because it is your environment. It's where you enjoy. You swim. Come on, now it's where now you are crying. Can you notice the fish crying in water? Vuto lake. vutake simukundimvesesa. Ndifuna ndikuoneseni a realm yonena kuti chichonse chimene chikuchitikachi, it's not kuti zikubalaliseni musokonekere. No, the more troubles are increasing, the more you are now comfortable. Not kuti naso ubalalike. Because we are in our season now. We were created for this. That is why when there was the storm on the water, Jesus Christ was doing what? Sleeping. For a time like this, you find out there's no money for food, nothing. Rent you saw. And you start blaming a lot of people. What is happening? What is happening there? This is a Christian who is failing to breathe in the environment. You are feeling as if you're going to die. What is happening? You are not recognizing you are in your environment, your habitat. God is increasing the water for you. You are not supposed to go into hiding. You are now in the environment. Now you feel free. Because I was imagining when there was a flood, it means fish were swimming everywhere. It means fish relocated from the sea to the world. That's why he said, preach the gospel to the ends of the earth. Because he knew when things are tough, that's when you get there. You'll be in the right environment to go outside countries. Because you're in the right habitat, the right place. Being international is not a matter of prophecy. Being international is a matter of recognizing your time. Could I meant to go beyond the boundaries of this sky? Imagine now, fish at that time, they were, how can I say, confined in a limit. They can't go beyond a certain limit, isn't it? So madagudi zimango sambira nyanja, zima rivers imsiyonjo. That is all. Kuma now when there was a flood, somba zinamba budamu. Chujide kanija. Specie budamu. Specie bubu. Tungo esa tungo dusa pangona mwana. Somba emozi mwana inayambisa. Tukusambira tusaidia huko. Koma somba zimene zinazolowera limit kuti timathera patipo. Izisuko over there. Those are two different types of people. Some of you now, you begin to realize how blessed you are. Kuti in the West economy, in the poorest country, that's where you flourish the most. This country is considered as so poor, they don't consider anything about it. But now you have been put, you were born in such a country that is full of flooding. Economy flooding. Well, there are people now trying to work hard to get into the boat, into the ship. You as a Christian, now. But the problem is, you won't breathe. You need to remain in your environment that God has put you in. God is going to help you in the midst of this economy. The way it looks bad, it is good for you. Imagine, it was a flood to Noah, but to the fish, it was a holiday. It was a vacation. Abandeti tokaenda tikaone malo ambirimbiri. Tikaone kuti uko kuli bwanji. The fish now, the sharks now could move. The whales had more space now. Fish wasn't bothered. Why are you bothered? Why is the economy bothering you? Why is having no money in your account bothering you? Why is the landlord who is coming and saying, parent, why is he bothering you? Why are all of these things that are, that you are facing bothering you? You do not know who you are. You don't know who you are. You don't know who you are. When you know who you are, when you hear Kudikwata Yagwa, You know, good. The more the storm, the more the space for me. The more the storm, the more the space. That is what we call a revelation in the midst of the storm. Imagine Jesus Christ went, I in my disciples are like, get all the notes, go. I'll find you later and find the he stayed there the whole night. You know, my AM. I won't go back here. Can I know he comes? Shore. He sees good, there is no boat, no transportation. Why? Because transportation is what done. Why you doing this? He wasn't concerned. I don't care. Ndebeza means younger. I'm talking to people who feel they have lost opportunities. People who feel they have lost opportunities because someone took it. Every lost opportunity is a sign of a supernatural thing about to happen in your life. It's a sign of a supernatural thing about to happen in your life. And I want you to be comfortable. I know and everything else, which is good, I understand. But don't go for the sake of good tower. That's not how we operate. Somebody say no.